Imagine you are going about your day, feeling secure in your rights, when suddenly, you find yourself in a situation where a police officer searches you or your property without your consent or what seems like a valid reason. It can be a very disorienting and stressful experience, leaving you wondering what just happened and what you can possibly do next. If you believe you have been subjected to an unlawful police search, the immediate steps to take involve remaining calm and ensuring your safety, clearly stating your objection, and then gathering crucial information and seeking legal counsel as soon as possible. The foundation of these actions lies in the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means law enforcement generally needs a warrant based on probable cause or a recognized exception to the warrant requirement to conduct a search. An unlawful search occurs when police violate this protection, for instance, by searching without a warrant or probable cause, or exceeding the scope of a valid search. Understanding this basic constitutional protection helps you understand why challenging such a search is so important for upholding your rights. To navigate this situation effectively, first, clearly state verbally that you do not consent to the search, but do not physically resist. Document everything you can remember about the incident, including the date, time, location, the officers' names or badge numbers, and specific details of what was searched and what was said. If there were any witnesses, try to get their contact information. Take photographs of the scene if safe to do so, especially if property was damaged. It is also important to avoid discussing the incident with anyone other than your attorney. It is vital to understand that simply stating your objection during the search does not stop it from happening if the officer proceeds. However, your verbal non-consent creates a clear record that the search was not voluntary, which is a critical piece of evidence if the search is later challenged in court. Furthermore, remember that anything found during an unlawful search, sometimes referred to as fruit of the poisonous tree, may be excluded as evidence against you through a legal motion to suppress, significantly weakening any potential case against you. Ultimately, taking swift and deliberate action after an unlawful search can significantly impact your future. By meticulously documenting the event and immediately consulting with an experienced criminal defense attorney, you empower yourself to protect your constitutional rights and explore all available legal avenues. This proactive approach helps ensure that any potential legal consequences stemming from such a search are addressed fairly and justly, upholding the principle that everyone deserves due process and protection under the law.